Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Stany Sebastian. Today I'm going to share a video on how to replace the broken clutch cable of Bajaj Dominar. Today while I was coming back from office, my bike's clutch started going off. I didn't realize that the clutch cable was about to broke. Luckily the cable broke in front of my house, or else I have to call any towing vehicle to carry my bike to home. But trust me, you don't have to call any mechanic to fix this. All you need is a new clutch cable which you can buy from your nearby bike spare parts shop. And follow these simple steps. Remove the broken clutch cable like this. Slowly start pulling the cable like this. If it is stuck, then adjust the handle and the clutch cable like this. New clutch cable cost me 256 rupees. I will show you the similarities in both, lengthwise. Insert the new clutch cable through this area like this. Follow these steps clearly. Push the clutch cable through this area towards the engine. Follow these steps clearly, or else the clutch cable will not reach the clutch adjusting area. This is the place where you lock the second end of the clutch cable. First step. We have to lock the first end of the clutch cable to the clutch lever. Clean this lever area if it is dirty and apply some grease in this area. This is the hole on the clutch lever where we need to lock the first end of the clutch cable. Watch it clearly for those who haven't changed their bicycle brake cables. This is as simple as that. Put this end of the cable into that hole like this and tilt it so that the cable passes through that narrow path. I will show once more. Watch it clearly. This is how you have to rotate the clutch adjuster so that the cable can pass. Once the cable passes through, then rotate the adjuster to lock the cable inside the lever. Pull the rubber cover so that you see things clearly. This is the clutch adjuster and the clutch lever. After rotating the adjuster, cover the area with the rubber cover. Now let's go to the engine side where we have to lock the second end of the clutch cable. Watch the steps very clearly so that you don't miss anything. This is the area where we lock the last end of the clutch cable. After locking the cable, rotate the nuts anti-clockwise direction. The more you rotate these nuts, anti-clockwise direction, your bike's clutch will increase, that is, clutch free play will be reduced. Once you feel that clutch free play is over, then tighten these nuts and push the rubber like this. That's it. Thanks for watching my videos.